everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things. I do crafting, cooking, and travel on my page. Please hit the like button and hit the notification and make sure to turn on that notification bell when I upload videos so you get to see more things that I'm creating. Hello, welcome to Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things. Let's make a grapevine wreath, one of my favorites. And buffalo plaid. You all know I love buffalo plaid. I'm doing about, it's a 5-inch loops. Hey Barb. Hey Sandra. Twist. Then I'm not changing ribbons, I'm just going down to a smaller loop. I'm going down to 4-inch. Hey Cindy. It's a snow day, so I thought, and most people there, I thought I'd do a little crafting today. I'm going down to 3-inch, and these will be my last couple loops. Twist the ribbon and not the pipe cleaner. And then dovetail it. And then I go back and I fluff. Gotta fluff the bow a little bit. Get your fingers in there and fluff those loops out. Then I'll set these aside. And here's what I'm working on. Oh, here's what I'm working on. Working on a church wreath. Some of you from my page will remember Thad picked this church up on a live when I wasn't with him. And he couldn't find it. And we were all laughing about him not being able to find stuff. He walked past it like 4 times. Because I told him I wanted the church. Ouch. Hi, Barb. Okay, here's some pine, and you guys know where I found this. I got this at, this is my old Christmas tree that I cut up, and I'm using it as pine for some wreath. Hey, Marianne. I need to add another glue stick before it falls off the table. And I have this one piece that I thought, well, I might as well add it in there somewhere. Probably add it right there. Okay, there's our start. And then I got these. Look at these, girls. Look at these. Look at the pearls and the sparklies. Oh, girls, those are beautiful. I'm going to add these in because this is going to be kind of a winter kind of wonderland type wreath. One of those wreaths that you could have up all winter and not just at Christmas time. I don't even remember where I got these, but I really liked them, and I thought this would be a perfect wreath since I'm going for kind of the winter wonderland to add these. Okay, those won't come apart. You have to come apart. No, they're not going to come apart. Let's try right there. This one, and this one up here. And some of this up here, down here. see what else I have. Now we have some of these. 3 of these. One here. Be glad when my glue skillet heats up again. It kind of died. I don't know whether I'm adding these or not. These are fun, but I'm not sure about these. I think those are too much. Oh my goodness. Why not to wear white, black, and play with glitter? Yeah, that's what this video should be. Okay, let me get in there. Oh, here's a fun one I'm going to add. Look at these. These are crystals that are really fun. No, I will not be at the Crafters Convention this year. I was there last year. So this year I decided to go somewhere different. I will be at General Wholesale at the Vivian event. So every year I try to go to something different so I get a chance to meet more people and possibly more people get to meet me. But I'm going to miss Mary Ann and the other ones at the Crafters Convention. My goal is, my thing is as I told Damon, and Damon knows this. Damon, you know I can only handle one hug a year from you. That's all a girl can handle, you know. And I can't do many more. That's what I tell him. No, I didn't get the live stream either. After the Vivian show, me and Thad are going to look at some different areas and different property. So, That's what we're going to be doing in April. Because the next year we're thinking about moving. In June of the next year. So Buckeye Girls Wreaths may be located in another state other than Ohio. Oh, thanks, Barb. This is a pretty simple wreath, and it will really catch the light. If you had this with lights and on above your mantle, this wreath here would really catch the light and be beautiful. With all the crystals and beads and everything that's on it. And it's very simple. I mean, if you wanted to, of course, if you wanted it red and black, you could always add black ornaments to it. Or you could add black ornaments to it and just do a black and white theme. Or to add red and black buffalo plaid to this bow and add some red ornaments. All of it would be really pretty. And you know, it's never too early to think about what am I going to design for Christmas? Because we know that's our biggest sales. And I have a lot of big craft shows, so too early. Hi, Nala. This is my wreath. Very beautiful, very simplistic winter wreath. This could still be hanging on your door. It would be well clear through from Christmas clear through the winter. Hey everybody. Bye, Lynn. Sorry I missed you. Bye.